What up? It's NtheSmoke, another competition. We back at it with another banger. What you talking about? Look, we are watching Angry Birds in real life. Dude, perfect. Bro, I've seen y'all been watching my videos. Subscribe, bro. Damn.
We got a basket of birds. They're angry, and this is Angry Birds in real life. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Yes! I got a hit! Oh, yes! Oh, that had some velo! Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Oh, this is a doozy and a half. Don't walk in front of me, man.
Bro has bad aim. The one in the yellow has horrible aim, bro. Bro, where he's helping the opposition.
Oh!
Look where he's aiming.
Oh!
Why is he helping him?
Yes! I got a hit! Oh, yes! Oh, that had some velo! Oh, come on!
Like, where is he? Bro, he does not know how to use. Bro, he haven't used the rock. Or you haven't used the rubber bands with the Hornets. Bink, cross the classroom, back of the head.
Oh, come on! Oh, this is a
You can tell he never used Hornets in class, bro.
doozy and a half. Don't walk in front of me, metal chicken! Oh, how does that not pop? Dude. That's how? TT, just head on a swivel, TT!
Hey!
Okay.
Cheater!
All right! What?
No! Took him long enough.
Oh, come on!
Yes, the popped one! Get there! Ah! That was better than going to space!
Game on, baby!
Wow, that's intense. Oh. Did I just pop Cody's?
Yeah, I'm advancing! Woo!
Hit! Come on!
Can we help a friend?
Yeah, help a friend. I helped you, you helped me.
I'll get your back one.
Okay. Yes! No! Come on!
Dang, you could tell it's sharp because it got stuck in. Maybe that's styrofoam. Maybe it's built out of styrofoam. But if it's not, and it got stuck into that thing is sharp.
Yes! Don't call it a comeback! From the depths! Oh, I popped Corey! Yes! What a shot! Moving on! Thanks, TT! It was me, Corey! I mean, it wasn't TT! Thank you, Gary. Get out of here and shoot mine! You won! Are you kidding me? That was a direct dump hit! This is for you, Gary. Gary! Yes! Yes! We did it together!
That was the most athletic thing I've ever done.
People were helping out other people. Twins were helping out.
What this bro got on, bro? Oh my God, bro. Stupid dog.
Garrett's were helping out twins, but Kobe, with a couple egregious non-balloon pops, has been eliminated. On to round 2. Round 2, least points from damage is eliminated. Fire! See you, Buster! Boom!
Right through the tower, baby!
I'm going cannonballs. How can you not?
Mini cannons for Corey!
You get to shoot all of them. This is going to absolutely launch.
Fire!
That hurts.
It sounds like all I got to do is hit the castle. So I'm going spiky ball.
Spiky for G.
All the way.
No, nay. I like the stone. I saw what Cody did. I want to put a hole in this thing. It's castle time.
Fire. You're over. I'm in the lead.
Cody has advanced to round 3.
Yes.
Still tie, Corey and G left to see.
Here we go.
Score of the castle.
Just knocking on the door.
Hey, we got a door!
Yes!
Let's go!
What? He hit a lower support beam.
I'm adding another strap because this does not have enough power. One more, hold on.
Now he's exhausted.
It's going!
Oh, you tower!
Wait!
All right, Ty, take out the middle pieces.
A penetrating boulder.
Yeah! Another round, good sir.
All right,
Another
me versus
round.
Corey. Tyler and Cody on to round 3. Now either Corey or G will join them.
You good if we switch to slingshot?
Absolutely.
Yeah, way better. Let's party!
What in the founding father was that?
It's all up to G!
I told you his aim was trash.
The door has been left open. I need to hit the castle and I am moving on.
Do it! Oh!
It's a walk-up! It's a walk-up!
Oh! Who's in there?
I see people!
I see
Oh!
people.
We left the civilians in! Corey, it was a good battle, but unfortunately I'm moving on.
No!
G on to round 3. Unfortunately for Corey, he's been eliminated.
On to the Starship round 3. Each dude will get
When it first came in, it kind of reminded me of Five Nights at Freddy's when you fighting Croc.
shots with the blaster and 1 with the shotty. The fragment's worth 1 point. A balloon pop's worth 3. Let's get it on.
All right, feel good. I'm gonna go these little blitz balls on the right first, just because there's more the merrier. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, baby! All right, just getting the party started.
Coach, good first 2.
Oh!
Okay.
Get out of my town!
That's a point. Oh! Bounced right under.
Oh!
Wow. All done.
Good start for Cody. 6 fragments, 2 balloons for a total of 12 points. Well done, Jones.
Not sure why you didn't go the whole Stormtrooper outfit.
Yeah.
Partial day off.
It's weird because I run the PTO and I don't remember the request.
I can't see or hear you. All right, Ty, your turn.
Here we go. My name's TT and I'm ready to party. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, a balloon hit. Wow.
We're going left balloon.
Oh!
Yeah! Oh!
Oh, he's quick pitching.
1. Oh, how does that not go? 1, 2, 1.
Oh, nothing!
It was a good start. Hot finish? No.
You got 12. My performance felt so much better, did it not? Just looking at the 2 performances side by side, would you not look at mine and say, I thought he did better?
Yeah, probably. But at the end of the day, it's 2 fragments plus 2 balloons, 8 points.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Cody. You're headed to the finale. All right, Garrett's up. He needs to top 8 to head to the finale. Ocho in you, Garrett?
No, I don't have an Ocho in me. I have a. What's 9?
Nueve.
Nueve.
He's got a Nueve in him. Or a Diaz would work too.
I got a Diaz in me. Firing the shotgun in 3, 2, 1.
That not do more damage!
Yeah, that was a direct hit.
I thought it was high.
That was high? All right, I'm going down.
A little high, told you.
I need y'all to stop talking because I'm trying to figure out where to go.
Complete and total silence for Garrett, please.
Yo, go. 2 balls left. I need, how do you say 5?
Cinco.
5. I need 5 points. 1 shot left. I'm at 7 points.
Do you go for a collateral
I know.
piece
That's what I'm
hit,
saying.
or do you go for the balloon, which is a risky play?
I know. Over there could knock off 2 pieces. I'm going balloon.
Wow!
I like it, Garrett.
That's all I need.
Okay, W shot. W shot, bro. W shot.
I don't think we've ever had a finale together. The history would be perfect.
No, because we both are terrible.
I agree.
This remind you of something?
The first slingshot we ever made.
Is this actually the same tree?
No, this is a replica.
Oh,
Finale time. Cody versus Garrett. Most destruction wins.
I'll go first. I'll set the stage.
Come on, Garrett.
All right, Angry Bird, shoot something, boy. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no.
Come on, Jones. Oh, he's slipping. He doesn't have it. Come on, Gary. Go, Hoser.
Prepare to be amazed.
He has made contact.
Okay.
I thought it was going in the chimney to explode it.
I thought it exploded right here. 3, 2, 1.
Let it fly.
Oh! That's a good play. Exit concrete next. Just kidding. It's probably about 15 pounds.
Oh, it's up, it's up.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go again. That was too far. Oh, yes. Wow.
Yeah. Oh! 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh!
Support beam.
Such a good shot.
We're weakening her.
It's pretty good. Come on, baby. Blow this up. Oh! That thing has been standing for far too long. There she goes.
Actually, I want to make sure everyone understands what just happened. Garrett had the initial hit.
Yep.
Pause, 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 starts to fall. Sure. Cody shoots, hits it, finishes falling. We gotta give out points.
I know who the points go to. I got this.
Okay.
The winner of this battle is... Nice here! I'm not great. Good job. Hey, by the way, I'm gonna go kick over this trailer. This bugged me the entire video.
That was a hard kick.
Sorry. Had to get rid of that.
Dude, perfect.
W video. If you like the reaction, man, subscribe, like, comment, man. It is what I gotta hear, yeah. Go ahead and sub. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and comment. You know, that's what we do, baby. And get a dose of NtheSmoke. Comment, sub, like, and more. And you know what we do. Smoke out the competition, might join the crew. Just like it's just like it's just like it's if you made it to the end, you a big old dub. Ha!